Picture this: AI working behind the scenes so you can work smarter, travel the world, and make money on autopilot. Unreal? Think again. In today's video, I'm breaking down 5 powerful and totally free AI tools to get $100 a day minimum. Yes, this is possible. These tools will help you live the digital nomad dream, grow your income streams, and even start an e-commerce side hustle selling digital products or merch. Yes, they're all beginner-friendly. Welcome to Empower Your Journey, where I help you unlock financial freedom while exploring the world. And trust me, stay to the end for a bonus tip that'll transform the way you approach this whole strategy. Ready? Let's dive in. Back in the 1980s, personal computers revolutionized homes. Then the 90s brought the internet, reshaping everything, and early adopters cashed in big time. Now, AI is the next wave. If you missed out on the dot-com boom, don't let this moment pass you by. AI is your golden opportunity to automate and elevate your work. So forget any fear of AI. Let's talk about how to master it and make it work for you. Sound good? Let's kick things off with the king of AI tools, ChatGPT by OpenAI. Its free version is great for generating text for blog posts, social media, product descriptions, and customer support. How to use it? Use it to brainstorm ideas, draft content, or even automate replies for customer service. Want to monetize this? Offer writing services on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr, or use it to grow your own content. ChatGPT is a game changer because it saves hours, and that's cash in your pocket. Have a blog or an online shop? Use ChatGPT to create descriptions for digital products or print-on-demand merchandise. That's $100 a day, easily within reach. Next up is Pictory AI, an amazing tool for video content creators, even if you've never edited before. Pictory can turn text or blog content into professional videos with music, visuals, and captions. Perfect for YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram Reels. If you're creating content for an online business or want to attract more customers to your e-commerce store, video is key. You can also sell video creation services or promote products through engaging video content. Set up on Fiverr or reach out to businesses directly. You could be earning $100 a day in no time with almost zero upfront cost. Number 3, calling all affiliate marketers. Simplified AI is your secret weapon for creating scroll-stopping content. And here's the kicker. Its free plan is packed with features that can help you make money without spending a dime. From customizable templates to AI-powered content creation, Simplified AI has you covered. If you're building a website for digital products or merch, Simplified can make your products shine with persuasive, catchy descriptions. Simplified AI lets you focus on quality over quantity. Sign up for affiliate programs like Amazon Associates and start promoting products that fit your brand. With its all-in-one design and content capabilities, Simplified AI makes $100 a day an achievable goal. Next, we have a powerful combo DALL-E 3 for AI-generated images and Canva for adding that professional touch. With DALL-E 3, you can create unique, high-quality images based on any description you dream up. This is perfect for digital products like printable art, posters, or custom merch designs. Once you've created your images with DALL-E 3, jump into Canva to polish them up. Canva free version lets you add text, graphics, and color tweaks to make your design stand out. If you're thinking about starting an Etsy store or selling digital downloads, this is an unbeatable setup for creating one-of-a-kind designs without hiring a designer. Here's a quick tip. Use DALL-E 3 to create stunning artwork, refine it in Canva, and list it online. It's an easy $100 a day if you've got some creativity. Need a professional-sounding voiceover but don't want to pay a pro? 11 Labs offers free text-to-speech AI voices that sound so lifelike, people won't even realize it's AI. Perfect for YouTube videos, podcasts, audiobooks, or anything that needs a voice. Use it to make your videos sound top-notch or offer voiceover services on sites like Upwork or Fiverr. With 11 Labs, you could create high-quality content for YouTube or even start your own podcast with almost no upfront cost. Easy money. Now, here's the biggest tip I can give you. Don't overthink it. These tools are here to help you work smarter and earn faster. The hardest part is just starting. Check out the links in the description to explore these AI tools. So don't procrastinate, go try one of these tools now, even if it's just for fun, and see what you can do. Remember, every day you delay, someone else is getting a head start. So there you have it. 5 AI tools that can help you earn $100 a day, whether you're aiming to escape the 9-to-5 or take your side hustle to the next level. If you want to know more tools or need help with anything, let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips on financial freedom and travel inspiration. Thanks for watching. Until next time, travel smart, earn more, live free.